If you're struggling with identifying what type of energy might be involved, ask yourself a few key questions. Okay, potential energy. So an object will have potential energy if it is not on the ground. So the question you want to ask yourself, is the object off the ground? And if you're somebody who struggles in physics, that would be a really good one for the note card. Remember, kinetic energy is the energy of motion. So the question to ask yourself here is the object moving? Mechanical energy, remember, is just kinetic energy plus potential energy. So if you have potential, or if you have kinetic, or if you have both, you have mechanical energy.